Hello everyone, welcome back to Hookiit. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making this cute flower crochet bookmark. Now this is a very beginner friendly project and works up really quickly. It is a great project if you're looking for something simple that uses very little yarn. So let's get started. Now for this project, we would be using any yarn of your choice, a 3mm crochet hook, scissors, and then a darning needle for weaving in the end. We'll begin by making a magic ring, then chain 3. Now note that this does not count as your first double crochet. Then into the magic ring, make 2 double crochets and then chain 1. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way around. 2 double crochet followed by a chain space. Now I'm going to show you one more time. Make 2 double crochet into the magic ring and then chain 1. Now continue repeating this until you have a total of 4 sections. That means you'd have 8 double crochets in the magic ring with a chain 1 in between, and then I'll meet you at the end of the round. To finish off the round, make 1 more double crochet into the magic ring and then join everything together with a slip stitch. Now, let's move on to the petals. If you want to change color, now is a good time to cut your yarn and change it. For me, I would be using the white yarn. Now, insert your hook into one of the chain spaces and attach your yarn. Then, chain 3. Into that same space, make 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and then 2 more double crochet. Now if you do not know how to make either of these stitches, I'll have a video attached so you can just go back and watch it. And just like that, you made your first petal. Slip stitch into the next chain space and then chain 3. Then into the same space, make 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and 2 more double crochets. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern in each of the remaining spaces. Now we continue all the way around until we made all 5 petals. Now once you finished, your flower should be looking something like this. Now we are going to make that third layer that has the pointy edges. Now to move to the next row, attach your yarn into the chain space just like I'm doing here and secure it. Then chain 3. Now we're going to count 3 stitches up to the top of the petal and make a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 2 and make another single crochet in that same stitch. This is what is going to give the petal that nice pointy shape. Next, we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the next chain space to secure it. I'll be showing you how to do that one more time. So we're going to chain 3, then count 3 stitches up and make a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 2 and make another single crochet into that same stitch, then chain 3 and slip stitch into the next chain space. Now we're going to continue repeating this pattern around the flower, and before you know it, your bookmark will start, coming together. Now let's make the tail of the bookmark. I'm going to attach my yarn to one of the corners of the petal, but you can attach yours to whichever corner you prefer. It's basically the same thing. Once you attach your yarn, simply chain 50, and of course you can make your bookmark longer or shorter. Feel free to adjust the number of chains to suit your preference. Now, once you've chained 50, we're going to crochet a small leaf at the end of the bookmark. To do this, start by making a single crochet in the next chain, and then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, and then once more a single crochet. Now we're going to turn our work to the other side and repeat the same thing. We're going to make 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and then finish off with a single crochet. And just like that, you have this cute little leaf detail at the end of your bookmark. Now, if you prefer to leave it out, that is fine, but I personally love the way the leaf completes the look. And once you're done, cut your yarn and weave in any loose ends with your darning needle. And that's it. Your bookmark is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you like to see more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.